Things keep coming, dude. I'm just gonna go. Yeah. Woo! Wow! Oh my god! Last time I go Mune, I wanted to go through a suspension bridge, but then that was yeah. I didn't, because the one which I was trying to go through, they closed the suspension bridge and they opened the opened the brick bridge now. But the Google shows the photo still the suspension bridge photo. Okay. Yeah. Okay guys, so we had our coffee break and now we are gonna climb more mountains. Here we go. Okay, I need to release more clutch. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, we started to climb, mate. Wow, beautiful, beautiful view. Oh yeah, I remember this place. It's off-road from here, so you should come and we go together. Ah, you're here. Okay, let's go. I need to change my mode. You go ahead. You go ahead. You go ahead. Okay, let's go. It's slippery here because the sand is solid as rock, and car coming too. Okay. Okay. Nah, it's kidding already. Yeah, it's dry, and the how to say, the sand on the top of it. It's too skiddy. Oh, it's damn. You want to take a photo here? Yeah? Let's do just quick shot on iPhone. Better. Cool. Okay. Now we need to turn around. Oh my god. We are riding like this, so it should be this side. So that means it should be here, right?
Oh, you were right. You blend to right outside.
Ah, okay. It's this side. I don't know if it will stay. I hope it does. If it falls off, you just let me know and I will take it up. Now you're being shot. Woo-hoo. We are at the dam. Yeah. The camera is on, right? Just keep an eye on that thing. Be careful. This section has a lot of ruts. Like last time, so many people fell here while I was coming. I saw 2 scooters falling down. Hang on. You go ahead a little bit. I just wanted to put the map back. Oh, shit! Can you pick it up? Wait. Take breath. Yeah, that's it. To catch your breath. You want to get some water? Have that. Because immediately after the fall, the blood flow becomes a little bit intense. So just get some water. Yeah.
Holy shit.
I skipped 2 falls.
Yeah, I was trying to.
Yeah? Be careful. Yeah, just take it easy. I think we are in Bao Loc already. Yep. Dude, ruts. Oh. Be careful with the ruts here. Ruts, stone. Ah! 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 Something hit on my skid plate. I don't know what that is, but it hit hard. I think it's the center stand. I hope it still works. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the ride to Bao Loc. Off-road a little bit, mostly road. With Thuc had a fall. And that's the trophy of today's event. Bao Loc roads are ahead. Last bit, let's go. Whoa, yeah. Here we go. Jump. Okay, now no more off-road, buddy. How about this commute? Okay, let's do it. Okay, we arrived in Bao Loc. So the ride ends here because from here we will go coffee and 2-hour stay. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. See you. Thank you, Thuc, for the ride. Yo, so we finished the dinner. We had a bumbo.
Yeah.
And gonna get some wine and just being in the view, enjoying the view. Coffee plantation all over there. Good times.